be said about this here, but we have seen each other in the past few years. The most ridiculous looking drone, right? Have you ever seen something like this, like in a dream? But this is really a new product from DJI. It's called DJI Flip. DJI Flip drone, their first foldable model. Such an airplane. The pain points it essentially wants to solve are very clear. Just be able to take off directly from the palm of your hand. Don't make users feel scared. Greatly reduce the complexity of everyone's operation. This is why we must do this review this time, because it's too similar to the previous drones. Just unfold it and replace it with a sensor. Then change it to avoid obstacles, another new generation product. But this Flip is really heresy. When we use it, it feels like it is indeed very different from previous drones. It becomes super fun. It's the same type as DJI's Neo. But at the same time, it has similar performance to previous DJI drones, not just a toy. It can really help you take some great things. Is its price. It's $384. Bring a remote control. So do you think this thing will interest you? Let's have a taste together this time. After DJI has had this traditional configuration for so many years, launched the first generation of new drones. What the Flip looks like when you first get it, there has to be one word to describe it. Strange. It's hard not to describe what it looks like. It can be like an electric fan. It can be like a mosquito killer lamp. It can be like a Ferris wheel for hamsters. But you just don't feel like it's a drone. Let's not talk about anything else about this form. It has a very intuitive problem. You can only lay it flat like this or place it upside down, but when you put it upright, it's outside when the wind blow just fell down with a snap. Not as square as the mini series, comes stable and reliable. And we originally thought that DJI designed this new folding form be more compact, right? But later we discovered that in terms of volume, because there is a fully enclosed oar protection, it's better than Mini 4 Pro. In fact, it's going to be so big. But what are its advantages? It's just that it unfolds much faster than in the past. You don't have a thinking process. In the past, the way the front and back of the drone rotated and unfolded, its direction is inconsistent, so newbies often get the wrong folding order. But Flip itself has these two tags. That's all you need. It unfolded immediately when you swung it around. It can also start automatically. There is no process of pressing the on-off button. Very elegant. Another point is that after the drone flight is over, there is an operation to organize the paddles. I hate this step so much. But Flip doesn't have this process. With this oar protection, the blades will not break, won't throw it around, even though its volume after folding. It's not as small as Mini 4 Pro, but in terms of weight, it still weighs less than 249 grams. So currently in DJI drones, Neo Mini and Flip, you don't need to take the exam just directly. And its body itself is just that. If you don't look at this, just look here. It doesn't actually change much if you pull it out. An infrared ranging module is added to the top. Batteries are now, in order to reduce weight, adopts an integrated body design. Then there is the USB-C port and TF card slot. Now move to this side. It's quite easy to use when folded. But there will be some obstruction when unfolding. Wouldn't it be particularly comfortable? But these are just minor complaints. At the core, I think this is the most outrageous question. It's the Flip's built-in storage. DJI gave 2 GB. Previous models like Avatar provided 48 GB of body storage. DJI's Action 5 Pro Action camera also has 47 GB. Slip of the tongue. But Flip, a brand new product, 2 GB. Anyway, I don't know how to describe this. DJI's behavior, if we hold an idiom solitaire contest now, what idiom would you use to describe DJI, this behavior? Songbirds in